Nintendo, but the crap, but that's okay. Now I'm going to assemble it this away. And I'm going to show you the back how it looks. And I'm sorry if my Nintendo accidentally does this. Turns on. Well, today I'm going to be showing of the parts that you can take off. So let's do it. So I'm just going to do it right now. So see this part? These two buttons. Don't really take it off. This. Wait, I'm gonna flip it this way so it's easier for me. So you hold this. Well, it's hard for me. What did I just do? Oh, God. And just do that. Takes off. Then we have to do this. Unlocks. And we cancel it by pressing this. So, one part assembled, and this is what it looks like on the back. This is what it looks like on the front. Let's take the other part off. And I'm going to put that one back on. And I'm going to make a noise. In 3, 2, well, almost, in 3, 2, 1. Oh God, so I'm next to you guys now. And I've been working to put this thing. What? Oh yeah, ready? Now I'm gonna take this part off. So now we can just so it looks like this. It might be the same, and it looks like this on the back. Oh, wait. There it is. Oh, on the back, it will say Nintendo Switch. Wait to see what it looks like on the back. Sorry, guys. So now I'm going to take the whole thing off to see how it looks like. I actually never done this. I'm not allowed to do this. I'm going to do another test. And it's like an iPad now. It's an iPad. You just did that! And this is what it looks like on the front. It looks like on the back. And these are the controllers. See? How funny is that now? It's time for the other thing that I forgot to see. What was I gonna do again? Hey guys, so today, oh no, sorry. So now I'm gonna swap them on the different sides. So one like this. Oh, will it work? Oh. Place it like this. Oh. It's backwards. Look, it works. It doesn't work if you do this. So I faced it backwards. So then I can't even do anything with this controller. So now you can have no controller, just do this. So you have to do this. I can't even do anything right. And I think froze. I can't use the controller because I'm the wrong side. And if I press A, if I press A, guys, they don't work. What if I do it? Okay, another test. I'm gonna take it off. No, and put them in the right spot. And they didn't click because they weren't in the right one. This to attack. Will this connect if I do this? Because it doesn't work. Okay, have you seen this new thing I'm trying today? And I got a new setup that I'm trying. Wait, what? So it looks like this and just... Uh-oh. So I'm just trying to work it out. If I put one on right, will it make... And now I can just play like this. Oh, okay, I'm gonna try to make it now. Cool. Okay. Okay. Well, here's the ad that you sometimes see. Ta-da! So I can only, now it's like an iPad or a stand. Oh gosh, don't want to get my scrap. Whoa, whoa. Oh, sorry, go. So this is what it looks by itself, as you can see. And you can do finger tapping. Look. I can't even see where I'm going right now. And I'm just going to do this. And if one controller's on, it will make this noise. If you're not going. And make the noise, and it will look like this. One is on, and then you can just... You don't have to swipe like that, you can just swipe like this. Ready? What am I doing? Ready? What the heck am I doing or what? Oh. See? And now, and this is what it looks like with two of these controller pads. Yeah, it looks like that. And you can just do this now. Oh, and you can just hold it like this and swipe. And I'm going to show you how it's charged. How it charges, I mean. Charges like this. Oh. Can't really see what it is there. Well, my Nintendo was there, just charges in there. Sorry for those glitches. Bye guys.